Hello everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss, let's say you have a existing repo, and in that repo, if it is showing some issue while adding the files, that is the entire project folder, then how exactly we are going to resolve that. So this is one of the key concept in Git. So whenever you will check in any kind of project from your local to your GitHub repository, that time you may face this issue or challenges. So how can you overcome this issue or challenges? That's I am going to discuss so that it will be beneficial for you. Okay, let's observe. Let me open the details. Yeah. Okay, what is the question here? Question is, existing repo is showing issue while adding all the files, that is entire project folder. That means whenever you are adding your entire project folder from your local machine to the GitHub repository, that time you can face this kind of issue. So let's resolve this. So solution, step by step, this will correctly connect your local project to a new GitHub repository and upload all files. Okay. Step 1, what you can do, delete the old Git history. Okay, in PowerShell, just run, let's say for example your, let's say, local folder is local project, let's say is in this folder, for example D idea projects. In my case, my project is here in my local. Okay, then what I did in the PowerShell, I just did cd and come to this path. Okay, after that what I did, I removed the, as I mentioned, delete the old Git history. So I just remove the old Git history. How I did that? So I just write down remove -item space -recurse space -force space .git. Okay, this completely removes the old Git history. Don't worry, your project files remain safe. So project file will be safe, just it will delete the, just it will remove the old Git history. Okay, then next step, initialize a fresh Git repository. So in that, what you will do, how exactly you are going to do that? Git init, this is the command you need to use, git init. What you are going to see, you will see something like initialized empty Git repository in this folder, like d colon, I mean, say in my case it was there, so in your case it will show in your path like d colon / idea projects / API project / Java rest assured cucumber / .git/. Okay, then in the next step, add all files to tracking. So git add space dot, so it will basically add all the files. This adds every file from your folder, that is source, test, resources, etc. to staging. Then to verify, just write down git status. You should see all files listed under changes to be committed. Okay, next step, commit your code. What is the command you will use? You will use git commit -m. Okay, so you will use git commit -m, then space, in double inverted you will just write down what you are going to commit. Initial commit -added full rest assured cucumber project. Okay, and in the next step, just write down create a new GitHub repository. Okay, next step you will write down create a new GitHub repository. So go to https://github.com/new, enter a name, for example Java REST assured Cucumber API project. Do not initialize with readme dot git ignore or license. We already have those locally. Click create repository. Okay. Then what you will do? Just connect local to GitHub remote. After creating, GitHub will show a URL like https://github.com/ your username / repo name .git. Example, for example, in my case it was showing, let's say, https://github.com/anilraut. I put that my repo name /java REST assured Cucumber API project.git, because this is my repo name. That's how I created my project and my repo name. So that's why it is showing like this. In your case, it will show like how exactly you will create that, means you according to your name. Then now what I run, git remote add origin https://github.com/anilraut/java REST assured Cucumber API project.git, then git branch -m master. Okay. Then push your entire project, git push -u origin master. If asked for credentials, enter your GitHub username, then your personal access token, not your GitHub password. Okay. Then step 8, verify. Go to your repo URL. You should now see your entire project structure: resource, main Java, test Java, resources, pom.xml, readme.md, config.properties. Here is the step-by-step guide to clone your repo and start working on it locally. So what you do? Open PowerShell and navigate to your workspace folder, cd, then go to the project folder path, then clone your GitHub repository. Run this command, git clone https://github.com, then just provide your git URL. This will create a new folder like that. It will contain your full project, including all folders and files pushed earlier. Then go inside your clone project, cd space your project name, then verify, list files to make sure everything is present. So just write down dir. You should see src. Okay, you should see src, pom.xml, config.properties, readme.md, target if present. Then open in IntelliJ. Now open IntelliJ, file open d:/idea projects /API project /Java REST assured Cucumber API project. IntelliJ will detect your pom.xml and load it as a Maven project automatically. You are now ready to code, commit and push updates. Step 6. To push new changes after editing files, just use git add dot git commit -m updated test cases, then git push. Okay, so that's how you will resolve the issue. That's it for guys. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much guys.